Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! Another week, another video. I'm on a roll. I really need to come up with something else to say because that's getting very tiring. Tiring? Sure. Alright, so for today I thought I would do a get ready with me with my 2017 favorite beauty products. I'm excited because I love all these products, so let's just get right into it. So the first product that I really liked in 2017 was this moisturizer. I actually got this one in a small size previously. I think I got this in maybe like October, and I just could not stop using this underneath my makeup, or just if I just wanted, you know, a nice glowy skin without any makeup on it. So this is definitely in my number ones. I just got this one in the big size because I loved it so much. But definitely get the small one, try it out, see if your face is gonna like this product, and then you can invest in the big one. I believe this one was $48, so I just make it warm in my hands, and then I massage it into my fan. Oh yeah. So the next product that I really liked is the Pores No More primer, and I put this, you know, in the usual porish areas. I'm gonna go on the sides, just like so. That was definitely a go-to. I've been using this for a few years now, but it's still a primer favorite for me for 2017. Next, when it comes to foundations, I have tried them all. I like a lot of them, but I always kept coming to this one, especially in the winter seasons, because it just makes your skin look so flawless, so nice, and it stays on for a while too. But if you do have oily skin, I would recommend not getting this one. This is the Hourglass Stick Foundation. I'm actually like at my last, that's it, that's all. It's so dirty. That's the only amount I have, and I want to buy it again because I like it so much, but I also want to try other foundations before, because I don't really like try foundations that often. But I love this foundation so much. It just blends so nice. It looks seamless, just like it had been advertised. It looks like your skin, but better. I would say this one is a medium coverage, but I feel like you can build it up. I just don't build it up. I don't use that for weddings. I just use this for like an everyday makeup look. For the brush to blend it out, which is another favorite that I definitely need to let you guys in on, is the Morphe M439. This is my favorite foundation blending brush. This is the only one that I've been using maybe for the past year, I'd say. And when I blend in my foundation, I like going in circular motions. I know that's not really popular to go in circular, but it works best for me. Just like that, you know, blend, blend, blend. Alright, so next I'm gonna go into my concealer. I have a lot of concealer favorites, but I'm gonna go with the two most that I had been using. A Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye and the Makeup Forever Full Cover right here. I would use this one more day to day, and I would use this one more for photography because it really brightens your under eye for those pictures. But again, I'm going for an everyday look today. I'm just gonna use the Makeup Forever. I like this one because it has a nice, you know, it's like a banana shade. It has a yellow undertone, which is very flattering for the under eye. This is why I don't do top wigs, because then you guys are gonna realize how weird I am. You know? Alright, next, my favorite concealer brush. I'm on 12%. My concealer brush is the Morphe G3. Again, I've been using this for years. It is my absolute favorite concealer brush. I don't think I would ever want to switch it out for anything else. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it in. I'm actually going to my cousin's birthday at their house right now, so I'm gonna be under the sun a lot. So that's gonna be a true test of how well I do makeup. Because I hate it when I see so much product on someone when it's like sunny outside. I'm like, look natural! You look caked up in the sun, it's all sweating everywhere. That's probably me most of the time. Jake, I think I do a pretty good job of like not showing product even under the sun. Alright, just like that. Ooh, I like it. I'm actually gonna go in. That's what I usually do with this one. I'm gonna go in with this one right on top. And like I was saying, that's usually what I do when I use this product. I don't use it all over my under eye. I just use a little bit right underneath the eye to add like a gradient brightness effect. So I'm gonna try that right now. You definitely have to warm up this product because it's very thick. And you want to use very little because a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna put this right under there. Okay. Like a little. Got a little triangle area. Just like that. Okay. And see how much brighter it looks. Look how bright that is. Wow. Wow. You see that? That's why I like those two products. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my absolute favorite contour, which is the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in Almond. Again, this is the only contour stick that, well, I know I have the Anastasia one too, but gosh, I love this one so much. Oop. I like going a little above my cheekbones just to lift my face a little bit. And I also go, it is so hard doing my makeup with this tiny screen. Just like that. And my favorite brush to blend this out is the e.l.f. small tapered brush, the only brush that I use to blend out. But I think the new ones they made are shorter, which is not good. This is one of the older ones. So there's that. I like holding my hair back just to like give me a nicer. Okay. Go, yeah, I go all the way in the hairline. It's like so. Beautiful, beautiful. My pimple looks huge and wonderful. Giving myself a nice chin because your girl does not have a chin. Alright, I'm going to take my foundation brush. We're just going to blend all that together. Make sure there's no harshness. My next favorite, even though it's in La Mercier, this is actually the RCMA powder inside. Just like that. I just like it because it's more convenient to use. But this is definitely another favorite of mine for 2017. It's the only under eye powder that I've been using other than the La Mercier. I use the La Mercier more for special events where I know that I want it to stay on for the whole night, like a wedding or anything like that. This one, I can still use this one, but I trust the La Mercier more, to really keep that under eye there the whole night. But I do use the RCMA one every single day. I'm just gonna make sure I don't have any creasing going on. I'm just gonna take that concealer brush, go over it again, just like that, and we're ready. So I'm gonna use my, this isn't the Beauty Butter, this is the, I forgot which one this was, but they have this one at Ulta. Love it. I'm literally just putting this right over here under the eye. For now, just and down. I still have to put on my highlighter. Next is one of my favorite highlighters that I recently found out, which is this Milk Cosmetics highlighter in Lit. This definitely has replaced my WhatsApp. But they're pretty much the same exact thing. I like the WhatsApp as well. That's almost done, so that's definitely a favorite as well. But this is a newer favorite, so I thought I would include here. I just take my foundation brush again, dabble it on, and then I just put this right here. It literally is the best. Stick highlighter ever. So that's that. When I'm done with the highlighter, I go in with a very soft sheer powder. I usually don't use, you know, like a thick powder on my face other than the under eyes. So I go in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting in Luminous Light, and I put this all over my face. It doesn't really set my face, but it does leave it looking, look at that. I've definitely hit pen. I'm so sad, but it is an amazing product. I use it every single day. It just makes your skin look like it's glowing, literally like it's glowing from within. It is amazing. I love it so much. So this is the powder that I use. Again, it's not really made for setting, but it does a good job of setting my face. I never have a problem with like my face falling apart. So I guess it does set. Next, another favorite of mine, this is a blush. This is the Hourglass Mood Light. Again, it's the ambient lighting, just like the other one, but this is Mood Light. It's more of a pinkish. And this one, it looks like it's still brand new because I don't use a lot of it every single time. I just literally just dab, 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 and just put that. And it leaves a very soft tone on your cheeks. Just like that. Next, I'm gonna go in and take off powder on my eyes. Alright, my favorite bronzer contour of 2017 is definitely Hoola bronzer. Nothing will ever replace my Hoola bronzer. I just got a new one. It's absolutely beautiful. I think I've got at least 4 of these in my lifetime. I don't think I'll ever change just because it's that amazing. And my favorite contour brush is the Morphe M523. It is perfect, but I do need a mirror for this. I'm just gonna nicely dab it on. Next, my favorite lip product definitely is this cocoa butter formula from Palms. I use it every single day. It makes my lips feel soft and flecky. I use it every single, you know. Alright, next. I have so many favorite highlighters, but if you guys want to know all my favorite and worst highlighters, please watch my previous video. I'll link it down below. But for today, I'm going to use a new one that has become my absolute favorite. It is the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer in 1. It is just absolutely amazing. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do, but I do. It's an investment, but I hope it lasts me a long time. Okay? So I'm just going to take the brush that it comes with. I usually never use brushes it comes with, but when I tried it with my brushes, it did not apply the same way. So definitely use the brush it comes with. It's so dense, I feel like that's why it's so good. I'm just going to dabble into this and just go for it. Do you see it? I see it. Hey guys, sorry about that. My camera died. I charged it for a little bit. It's at 9%, but we'll make it. So while you guys were away, I just went ahead and did my eyes. I didn't do anything crazy, just used my favorites again, obviously. So for my eyes, my favorite liner for the year goes to Kat Von D ink liner. This is definitely one of my favorites. I don't think I would ever use any other one because this is just so good. I've had my eyeliner on while I'm sweating, and again, it doesn't run. It's just it is legit. It is tatted, yo. Wow. Alright, Julia. Next, my favorite mascara of the year goes to Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It just does something to your eyes and your lashes that no other mascara has ever done to me before. It just makes it so fluffy and long. Like, there are some mascaras that only elongate but it doesn't volumize, but this one does both. It lengthens and it volumizes. It's better than sex. What more do you want? So that's that. And lastly, my favorite lipstick of the year. I have so many, but the one that I am remembering is a Too Faced Melted Matte in Queen Bee, I believe. Where's the color? But it is, yeah, it's Queen Bee definitely. It's this one right here. It is my all-time, it definitely is my all-time favorite because it's the perfect pinkish nude. There we go. It is my favorite liquid lip. I'm gonna put this on. Well, I'd go over my favorite lashes, but I customize my lashes, so I'm definitely going to do that for a future video. I'm not wearing lashes today, but it would definitely be the Demi Wispy lashes. Those are my all-time favorite lashes. I use them all the time, and they're just so convenient and not expensive, and they're great lashes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this full face of my top beauty products of 2017. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down below suggesting what you guys would want for my next video. Give me a like if you enjoy this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love to see you guys in my next video. Without further ado, I'm gonna stop saying that as well. You guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys!